Hi, Miss. So this is my part pod, question number 3. I believe using counseling service can positively affect my mental well-being. So a group of students says that the average rating for the belief that using counseling service can positively affect mental well-being are 3.70, with a standard deviation of 0.84. They were able to sample 21 respondents who were surveyed and found a mean of blank, with the level of significance set at 5%. Is the claim of the students valid? So, for our null and alternative hypothesis, for null, the average rating of the belief that using counseling service can positively affect mental well-being is significantly greater than or equal to 3.70. Then, for alternative hypothesis, the average rating of the belief that using counseling service can positively affect mental well-being is significantly less than 3.70. So, yung 3.70 po is yun yung population mean. And then, the standard deviation that we have is 0.84. And for sample size, it's 21, which is the respondents. And ang hinahanap po natin is yung sample mean. And then, for test statistics, so this is how we get the sample mean. So, yung 4, 3, 2, 1, yan po yung option sa aming survey kung gaano po nila kadalas nagagamit yung counseling service. And then, yung 7, 9, 4, 1, yan naman po yung respondents. And then, we multiply that and then divide sa 21, which is, ang answer po is 64 over 21. And their answer for our sample mean is 3.04761948, which is 3.05. Then, ito naman po yung t-value, which is yung mga given values namin. So, for the sample mean, we already get the 3.04761948. And then, sa population mean naman po is 3.70. And then, the standard deviation is 0.84381167.4. And then, yung yung respondents naman po is yung 21. Then, this is how we get the answer of t-value. So, this is the formula to get the t-value. And then, we input our given values and then we get the negative 3.543304,008. And then, for our decision rule, is it rejected or not rejected? So, our t-value is negative 3.543 and yung t-distribution value naman po, which is yung critical value, is positive 1.725, which is in rejection region. So, bala yung conclusion naman po namin is we computed the t-value is negative 3.543, which falls in the rejection region. Kasi less than negative 1.725 siya. And then, yung significance level naman po is 5%. The researchers reject the null hypothesis, meaning students' belief in the benefits of counseling service is significantly lower than expected. This implies that students may lack of confidence or trust in the effectiveness of school-based counseling for improving their well-being.